Hello my friends, my name is Steve Munive with Steve Munive Yacht Sales, and today we are on a 2011 320 Outrage Cuddy Cabin by Boston Whaler. I'm going to walk you through it. This 320 Outrage by Boston Whaler is extremely versatile. Boston Whaler is known for loading up its models with options to make their owners want to fish at sunrise and entertain at sunset. She is powered with twin Mercury 300 horsepower outboard engines that are custom painted in white. The Smart Craft display will pleasantly show you top speeds above 50 miles per hour and cruise speeds in the 30s. Walking down into the cabin, you will find enough space to sit as well as sleep. Air conditioning powered by shore power is appreciated for those weekend trips to your favorite marina. Under the gunnels, you will find many options including downrigger reel plugs, washdown, storage, and shore power. There's a convenient rear folding bench seat to aft. For fishing, you have rod holders on the hardtop, a station with bait well, sink, and plenty of storage. The helm seat has bolsters and armrests for maximum comfort. The console gives you access to the dual chart plotters, autopilot, windlass, spotlight, radar, fish finder, VHF, raw water, freshwater, live well, spreader lights, and more. Forward of the console, this customer has installed a windscreen with the option to open by zipper. The cockpit forward seating is what makes this boat so comfortable and popular. The head is a side entry and is spacious enough to dry off and change. Everything about this boat is a testament to what Boston Whaler has achieved since day one. Loaded with features and backed by a reputation for being unsinkable, you will enjoy every moment with your friends and family. My name is Stephen Munive with Stephen Munive Yacht Sales, and I want to thank you for letting me walk you through this beautiful boat. You can always connect with me through phone, email, or any of my social media channels. I'll see you on the water. You've earned it.